is true, even though it seems crazy. Ripple's price is going up because of the CEO of Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. He wants it to reach $1,200 or even higher. That's pretty cool, right? That's not all, though. Whales woke up and started buying millions of coins because they think they will make a lot of money. That movie is the most important thing for anyone who owns XRP Ripple. That's crazy. Nota bene, XRP Ripple is becoming a very interesting cryptocurrency asset because it has recently won regulatory wins and there's a lot of talk about it. The Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs have been in court for a long time. The complaint from the SEC, which said that Ripple's token was an unregistered security, has been a big problem. But a recent court decision gave Ripple a big win by telling them to pay. People have said that this choice is good for Ripple and its token. There are interesting reports about well-known people in the crypto space that add to the positive mood around XRP. Some people think that Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, and Richard Ting, CEO of Binance, who is linked to Ripple, may be hiding large amounts of XRP. If this is true, it could be a strong sign that XRP is going up. The fact that such well-known people are involved could mean that they have a lot of faith in XRP's future success and ability to do well, despite regulatory challenges. One company, Coinbase, has been openly criticizing the SEC's way of regulating digital assets. Paul Grewal, the exchange's chief legal officer, has said that the SEC's planned changes to the definitions of national securities exchanges are not good because they don't look at the costs and benefits properly and doesn't have enough knowledge. In a letter, Grewal said, "It is impossible to see how the Commission could possibly have discharged its statutory and procedural obligations to regulate in light of the best available information when the Commission admits that on many key issues it has little or no information at all." This review shows that Coinbase is serious about making sure that cryptocurrencies are regulated fairly and correctly, which could be good for Ripple in the long run. Binance has recently shown that it supports XRP as well. The US branch of Binance talked about some of the good things about XRP, like how fast it can make transactions and how its main technology is called the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol. Ripple's legal win has made the XRP community feel very good, and this endorsement comes at a great time. It's possible that Binance's push for XRP is a smart move to take advantage of the good trend and show that the market is very confident. Rumors that the CEOs of big exchanges are holding XRP, Coinbase's legal moods, and Binance's promotion all point to a bullish outlook for XRP. The possible effects of these things could have a big effect on the path of XRP. As details about regulations become clearer and big players show support, XRP looks like it could make big gains soon. Now let's talk about what might be the most shocking news yet. The price of our favorite cryptocurrency, XRP, is expected to go through the roof, according to experts. Believe me, what you're about to hear will completely change what you thought would happen. For those who are ready for some shock value, this is what could change everything. Recently, well-known crypto analyst Ben Armstrong, also known as BitBoy, made a lot of noise when he said that XRP would go up in value. Armstrong said that XRP could reach an amazing $52 price, which would raise its market value to an amazing $6 trillion if all the right conditions are met. For people who don't know what an IPO and ETF are, let's go over what they mean and why they could be big deals for XRP. When a private business sells its shares to the public for the first time, it's called an IPO. This makes the company a publicly traded company. There could be a huge influx of funding from both large and small investors if Ripple, the company behind XRP, went public. XRP's price could go up a lot because more people would know about it and possibly invest in it through this increased exposure and capital. So an ETF or exchange traded fund is a type of investment fund that is bought and sold on stock markets, just like stocks. With an XRP ETF, investors could buy shares that are equal to owning XRP without having to buy and store the coin itself. This ease of access could bring in a lot of new investors, especially people who work in traditional finance and might not want to deal with the hassles of buying and keeping digital assets. If an XRP ETF were to be released, it would be a huge deal because it would open up a new controlled way to invest, pretty much like Bitcoin did. When Bitcoin ETFs came out, they helped drive the price of Bitcoin to an all-time high. People who are interested in XRP are hoping that something similar will happen with an ETF, leading to a big price increase. Armstrong isn't just positive about these cash tools. He talked about how XRP and other cryptocurrencies like ADA compete with each other. He suggested that buyers might move their money from ADA to XRP as they look for assets that do better. This could make the price of XRP go up even more, especially if Ripple's IPO and an XRP ETF happen. But Armstrong is also careful to keep people from getting too excited. Even though the thought of XRP reaching $52 is exciting, he knows that an easier goal might be somewhere between $8 and $10. Based on how XRP has done in the past, this prediction is based on the fact that it peaked at around $4 during its last big bull run. It looks like that earlier high could be doubled, especially with the momentum created by possible events like the IPO and ETF. The way people in the XRP community feel about this makes it even more interesting. A lot of influential people on social media agree with Armstrong's optimistic view. For example, Jack the Rippler recently tweeted that they are buying more XRP every day and were confident the price of XRP could hit as high as $1,271. This time, let's look into the world of whales who have been doing some really brave things behind the scenes. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind. You're about to hear some shocking news. The recent rush of big XRP trades has the cryptocurrency community buzzing with ideas, especially since these changes seem to have a direct effect on Ripple. Ripple moved an amazing 147 million XRP through a series of transactions that happened in just 12 hours. This has experts and investors wondering what the reasons were for these huge changes. Ripple started its action with a big move of 26 million XRP to the Bitstamp exchange. This was followed by an even bigger move of 100 million XRP between two wallets connected to Ripple. The person who got this 100 million XRP transfer sent 21 million XRP back to a Ripple bank and then sent another 20.2 million XRP to the Bitso exchange. Ripple sent a total of 47 million XRP to Bitstamp and Bitso, which are two big exchanges that let people trade XRP. People are very interested in what Ripple might be planning because of these activities. Is this part of a bigger plan to change how the XRP market works? The sheer size of these moves makes it seem likely that something big is about to happen. It is well known that Ripple has moved big amounts of XRP after its monthly escrow unlocks. But the timing and pattern of these recent transactions are making people suspicious. People pay close attention to whale moves like these because they can have a big effect on the market. When a whale moves a lot of a coin to an exchange, it can cause other people to do the same, getting other sellers to either do the same thing or play defense. These changes can sometimes cause a price pump in which the asset's value quickly goes up as more people try to buy it. Timing is very important here. Even though the price of XRP dropped recently after the transfer of 104 million XRP, which is worth about $59 million, the coin had already grown by 20% in the week before that. This trend suggests that big trades might cause some price changes at first, but they might also be setting the stage for bigger price increases as the market gets used to the extra cash. In this light, Ripple's most recent deals could be seen as a plan to set up XRP for a possible bull run. Making sure there is a lot of XRP on big exchanges would be very important if Ripple is really getting ready for its IPO or the launch of an ETF. This would let new buyers get into the market without making it hard to buy and sell, which could cause the price to rise as demand rises, demand rises. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. We'd be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. If you liked the content and thought it was useful, please click the like button and leave a comment with your ideas or questions. Most importantly, don't forget to sign up.